Hello everyone and welcome to another video with Coach B and masteryourchess.com. This video is just a review of the theory behind the long distance chess defense, and it should only be used to review the material after you've learned and practiced it against the computer. To learn the correct play to reach the outcome presented in the theory in this video, I encourage you to watch the long distance chess defense complete video. With the pawn on the 7th rank, with the bishop pawn, if the defending king is cut off on the short side of the board and his rook is on the long side, he is able to achieve a draw if he has the move. If the pawn is on the center file, the defending side can get a draw if the king is on the short side of the board and the rook is on the farthest file away. If the rook is a file or more closer to the pawn, then he will lose the game with correct play. With the pawn on the 7th rank, if the defending king was not able to get in front of the pawn, and his opponent managed to get his king in front of the pawn on the 8th rank, and also have the rook on the left side to be able to shelter from black's checks, then white will be able to win this game. With the pawn on the 6th rank, with the correct setup for the long distance check defense, black is able to draw if he has the move. With the pawn on the 6th rank, and the rook on the left side of the king being able to shelter from the side checks, white is able to win this game only if his king is able to reach the 8th rank before black controls that rank. So in this position, if it's white to move, white will be able to win this game because his king will be able to go to e8 before the rook gets control of that rank. If it's black to move, after rook to a8 controlling the 8th rank, black is able to get a draw. And in the end, I want to mention that with the pawn on the 5th rank or behind, black is able to achieve a draw even if the white king reaches the 8th rank before he can take control of it. Again, I encourage you to watch the long distance chess defense complete video to see the correct play if you're not familiar with these positions. If you liked my video, please subscribe and don't forget to check out my new website, masteryourchess.com, where you can learn, practice, test, and master your chess knowledge.